Hi everyone. Welcome back to Radical TechMart. In today's video, we'll talk about the WIKA Indfoss PSM-550 Pressure Switch, a compact and adjustable switch used across compressors, hydraulics, and automation panels. We'll cover range selection, calibration, and mounting step by step so you can install it confidently in any system. Inside the box, you get the PSM-550 unit, product leaflet, and calibration sheet. The body is strong die-cast metal with a pressure port at the bottom and a transparent top cover that lets you see the adjustment scale clearly. This model is available in standard ranges like 0 to 10 bar, 0 to 16 bar, 0 to 25 bar, and 0 to 40 bar, making it ideal for medium to high pressure control. It uses an SPDT microswitch rated for 250 volt AC 5 ampere, suitable for direct control or PLC input. The PSM-550 works on a diaphragm and spring principle. When pressure increases, the diaphragm moves against a spring and actuates the internal microswitch. As soon as the pressure drops below the reset value, it returns to the original position. This simple mechanical movement ensures high repeatability and long-term accuracy without any electronics. That's what makes it so reliable in industrial setups. Now let's talk about how to set the range. On the top scale, you'll find the set point screw. Rotating clockwise increases the cutout pressure, anti-clockwise decreases it. Use a reference gauge while adjusting so you can match the exact set pressure. Some variants also include a differential screw to fine-tune the cut-in and cut-out difference. Once the desired values are achieved, lock the nut gently to maintain calibration. Remember, always calibrate with the switch mounted upright for best accuracy. The PSM-550 has a 1/4-inch BSP pressure connection at the bottom for direct mounting on the pressure line or manifold. Make sure to use a sealing washer or Teflon tape to prevent leaks. For wiring, terminals are marked C, N, O, N, C. Connect your control circuit as per your logic, normally open for start control, normally closed for safety shutdowns. Ensure the enclosure cover is properly closed after wiring to maintain protection against dust and moisture. You'll see the PSM-550 used in air compressors, hydraulic power packs, refrigeration plants, and process automation panels. It's perfect wherever you need accurate cut-in cut-out control and long life in continuous operation. Many OEMs prefer this model because it's sturdy, service-friendly, and available in all standard pressure ranges. To summarize, the PSM-550 pressure switch gives you adjustable pressure setpoint and differential, rugged industrial design, high repeatability and long service life, easy calibration and mounting. If you're looking for a reliable switch for your next project, choose the WIKA Indfoss PSM-550. For genuine stock and technical support, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today. Keep your process accurate, automated, and radical.